This is the KeiCast, and we're going to do some sound effects for you today, which will include explosions, a few funny ones. Hopefully you'll find them funny.
Yeah.
And
well, as funny as we think they are.
Yeah, I really do like one, but they're not all sound effects. They are just like catchphrases or something, like ringtones. But yeah,
let's do it.
Hope you enjoy. Here is the first one. I find that one really funny.
It's hilarious.
There's another one. That's what happens when Edward gets angry. You have this one that's kind of funny. Chicken. Yeah, it's just
That's hilarious.
Yeah, and this one's kind of scary. How come? You're on a phone. Strange. Anyway, this one's kind of random. Yeah. Let's blow her up. I want to play a game.
You have 30 seconds to answer your cell phone. If you don't, you will have to listen to a boring voicemail and call that person back and probably leave them a boring voicemail.
And I'm just gonna get some more funny ones up. Okay, just hang on a second. This will just like take 2 seconds. Yeah, while we're doing this, Minecraft videos we've uploaded. Yeah, so there you go.
Good as well. And Blue Tack Adventures.
Yeah, they're kind of random. So.
We recommend Santa Bot. I saw that the other day. It's hilarious.
Yeah.
You have to watch it.
Right.
So they're just recommendations if you like this one.
And here is some more sound effects. This is funny. God, can you have that in? That's search on YouTube Windows XP error song. It's good. And here's another one. Yeah, I don't think you can guess what that is, can you? This, you might notice, sounds like Luigi off Mario. Doesn't it? Or Edward when he's just planned something, which probably won't turn out right. Ow! You just threw lamb-larded at me there. Okay. Here's, oh yeah. There's a, this is what happens when Edward goes on a train track. I have to turn it down. Oh well. Yeah. Hey, get out the screen. Ooh. You just ruined the video. The train just blew up. And let's just do that final one again, just because we like it. you enjoyed them, and we'll be doing another video about sound effects, but the sirens. And see you later, guys. Bye.
Peace out.